Mun ommolle Maria Helena Fjellei Mortensson, Mannaluhke Jäpien Buories ja Juhke Kasksne Orominja.
Maria speaks Southern Sami, a Sami dialect spoken by only a few hundred people. The Sami language belongs to the Finno-Ugric group of languages, which includes Finnish and Hungarian. There is a big difference between Sami and the Scandinavian languages, which all belong to the Indo-European language group. There are also big differences between the Sami dialects, which consist of 10 different dialect groups. Northern Sami is the largest dialect group. The Sami language is a nature-based language and is extremely detailed with regards to description of nature. There are, for example, approximately 300 words for describing snow and ice. Today, only about a third of Sami are able to speak the Sami language.
In many places, Sami language has disappeared. The reason to this is that the authorities have been telling people through many, many years, through education, the schools, the military system, administration, the church, that the Sami language is no good. And this is rooted in a kind of way of thinking that some races and cultures are superior to others. And this has been so strong that the parents have begun to believe that it might be dangerous, it might be no good for their children to learn Sami language. And this is why they have stopped to teach the language to their children. While everyone now knows that all languages are equal, and luckily enough, more and more parents realize now the wrongs that has been done, so they are taking up the language.
Some Sami dialects are disappearing. In the area where the Southern Sami live, steps have therefore been taken to start up a language vitalization project.
When we are working on something, we use the Southern Sami language. We use 3 important methods. One person, one language, one place, one language, and designated time, one language. Now, after 4 years, we see that the children understand the Southern Sami language, and they also use the language on special occasions.
Via children and activities of various kinds, the aim is to save the Southern Sami dialect.
Oh!